In this 1-minute tutorial, we learn how to easily and very quickly bring back details in a photo. Here we can see in the black dress, we lost some of the details. It's a little too dark. This isn't a raw photo, just a JPG. We'll be using HDR toning, but it has some problems. If you want to use it, then you have to merge everything into one layer. For example, if you have any adjustment layers and you wanna use the HDR toning, then it will flatten all the layers. Even if you convert it into a smart object, then still it will merge everything. But we don't want that. We always want to follow a non-destructive process. So we'll do a little trick. Press Ctrl Command and J to duplicate the layer. Now convert this layer into a smart object. I know I just said converting it into a smart object won't help, but just wait. Now double click the smart object and it will open a new window. Then go to Image, Adjustments, HDR Toning. In this window we can merge everything since we only have this layer. Okay, here you can see some presets and a lot of sliders. You can play with this according to your need. When you are done adjusting, hit OK. Now you see we brought back some of the details. Now we need to save it. Go to File and select Save, or press Ctrl Command and S. It will be updated to our main window. Now the HDR toning effect is all over the place. We want it only on the subject. Select any selection tool and click Select Subject. With the selection active, click the mask icon. You can also reduce the opacity for a more realistic result. But let me quickly show you what happens if we try to increase the brightness with a level or a curve adjustment layer. Even if we increase the highlights a lot, it will not look as good as the HDR toning. Just look at the difference. And there you have it. I don't think this is a 1-minute tutorial, but there we go. Thanks for watching.